Hello children, today we are going to learn long division. But before that, let us quickly revise the terms of division. The terms used for the numbers in division are dividend, which is the number that is being divided, the divisor, which is the number that is dividing the dividend, and quotient, which is the answer. Apart from these three terms, there is a fourth term, remainder, which is the number that is left over after dividing. So in division, you will get not one but two answers. The quotient, which is written as Q, and remainder, which is written as R. For example, 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Here, the quotient Q is equal to 5, and since there is no remainder, R is equal to 0. In the example 28 divided by 5 is equal to 5. There is a remainder 3. So Q is equal to 5 and R is equal to 3. Now let us solve few examples using long division. First example, 9785 divided by 8. Write the dividend 9785. Draw a line on the left side and above the dividend and write the divisor 8 on the left side. The quotient will be written above the line. Divide the first digit in the dividend, that is 9, by 8. Divide 9 by 8. Using the multiplication tables, you know 8 ones are 8 is closer to 9. So the quotient is 1. Write the quotient 1 above 9 and below 9 write 8 ones are 8 and subtract to get the remainder 1. Now bring down the next digit in the dividend, that is 7. Divide 17 by 8. When you divide 17 by 8, the quotient will be 2 because 8 2s are 16 is the closest to 17. Write the quotient 2 above 7 and 8 2s are 16, write it below 17. When you subtract, the remainder is 1. Next, bring down the digit 8 and divide 18 by 8. When you divide 18 by 8, again the quotient is 2 as 8 2s are 16 is closest to 18. So write the quotient 2 above 8 and 8 2s are 16, write below 18, subtract to get the remainder 2. Now bring down the last digit in the dividend 5. Divide 25 by 8. When you divide 25 by 8, the quotient is 3. Since 8 3s are 24 is closer to 25. Write the quotient 3 above 5 and 8 3s are 24. Write it below 25 and subtract. The remainder is 1. There are no more digits left in the dividend. So we have got our quotient 1223 and the remainder 1. Let's write the answer. Remember, in division you have to write Q as well as R. So we'll write Q is equal to 1223 and R is equal to 1. Another example, 7013 divided by 5. Write the dividend, draw the lines and write the divisor. Start dividing the first digit 7 by 5. 7 divided by 5 is equal to 1 because 5 ones are 5 is closest to 7. The quotient is 1. Write the quotient 1 above 7 and 5 ones are 5. Write below 7 and subtract. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 and bring down the second digit 0. Now divide 20 by 5. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4 because 5 4s are 20. So the quotient is 4. Write 4 above 0 and 5 4s are 20. right below 20, and when you subtract, the remainder is 0. Bring down the third digit 1. But is it possible to divide 1 by 5? No, because 1 is smaller than 5. So you put a 0 above 1 and then bring down the last digit 3. Remember, whenever the number to be divided is smaller than the divisor, you must put a 0 in the quotient. After you have brought down the last digit 3, now you have to divide 13 by 5. 13 divided by 5 is equal to 2, as 5 2s are 10 is closest to 13. The quotient is 2, write the quotient above 3, and 5 2s are 10, right below 13. When you subtract, the remainder is 3. There are no more digits left in the dividend, so now you have got the quotient 1402 and the remainder 3. Write the answers. Q is equal to 1402, R is equal to 3. Before we end, we'll do one more example. 3196 divided by 4. Write the dividend, draw the lines and write the divisor. The first digit in the dividend is 3. But we cannot divide 3 by 4 because 3 is smaller than 4. And what should you do when the number to be divided is lesser than the divisor? Put a 0 in the quotient. Put the 0 above 3. Now, the first and the second digit together will be divided. That is, 31 will be divided by 4. Divide 31 by 4. The quotient is 7 because 4 into 7 is equal to 28, which is closer to 31. So, write the quotient 7 above 1. 4 7s are 28. Write 28 below 31 and subtract. The remainder is 3. Next, bring down the third digit 9 and divide 39 by 4. 39 divided by 4 will be equal to 9 because 4 9s are 36 is closer to 39. So, write the quotient 9 above 9 and 4 9s are 36 right below 39. When you subtract, the remainder is 3. Now, bring down the last digit 6 and divide 36 by 4. 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9 as 4 9s are 36. So, again write 9 in the quotient above 6 and 4 9s are 36 right below 36. When you subtract, the remainder will be 0. You got the quotient 799 and the remainder is 0. Write the answers. Q is equal to 799 and R is equal to 0.